Siri Sangma and her team, Mr. Vikas Nagrane and his colleague, to this official unveiling of public display of beautiful artwork that speaks volumes about Meghalaya's tradition, heritage, and identity. We welcome you all, sir.
Of textile mural, which is beautifully painted by Start India Foundation in collaboration with Asian Paints under the project Donate a Wall by So Creation, the entire handloom sericulture activities from fiber to fabric. And with profound delight, I would like to extend a special and warm welcome to Honorable Chief Guest Sri Paul Lindo, Minister in charge of Textile, Tourism, etc., for his gracious presence and sparing his valuable time in spite of his busy schedule.
A small gift to Mr. Vikas.
Honorable Minister Sir, dear Principal Secretary Sir, all the dignitaries from Department of Textiles and officers, and all the people present over here, also everyone who is here to witness this inauguration of this landmark project. Good afternoon to all. I am Vikas from Start India Foundation, and we are a small NGO who is trying to make art very democratic. While we have been saying that we are a democratic country, we thought that art and culture, which belongs to people, should go back to people, and not only by keeping them in museums, where very few people go. But we thought, why not take art among the people, that anyone can see while passing by, while sitting, while just lazing off. So that was the actual purpose of this. This is the second project we are doing under Donate a Wall scheme in collaboration with Asian Paints. The first one at DC office, which we have done with an artist, with the help of the artist from Shillong itself, Mario Pathal. And this is the second one. The artist's name is Siddharth Goel Khatra. So he did the design and he executed it along with few assistants. And we are feeling very honored to get associated with such a beautiful state like Meghalaya, where you have such a rich and priceless heritage and culture. So it is not, earlier I used to feel that we are giving something to society, to Shillong. But now I feel that I am taking so many things from Shillong, knowing about different arts and tribal culture you have, the people, the festivals. So we are feeling very enriched. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity. Thank you so much, sir.
To all of you, our Honorable Minister of Textiles, Paul Lindo, who has graced this very significant moment today, despite pressing schedule. Director of Textiles, I'm Director of Sericulture and Weaving, Kong Siri Sangma. Joint Secretary Kong Majao, Mr. Vikas Nagrane from the Start India team and his colleagues. All my fellow colleagues in the Department of Textiles and Directorate of Sericulture and Weaving, members of the press fraternity. At the very outset, it gives me great joy to share with you how this project came about. It was in April that Mr. Nagrane got in touch with me and said, "Sir, we have scouted a very beautiful wall on the sericulture building. It is about 50 feet high and it was totally blank. It was tabula rasa, a blank wall." And he said, "Can we do something which relates to the public art?" So he shared some designs which related to Pan Meghalaya culture, but I shared with him that this is a sericulture and weaving department, so why don't you do something which relates to the textiles? So then we ideated back and forth and then came out with this mural which is called the Threads of Tradition. And if you look at the mural, it unfolds the picture of a weaver who's immersed in weaving magic, all the beautiful textiles, all the beautiful motifs across the state of Meghalaya. from Khasi Hills, from Jaintia Hills, from the Garo Hills, and these are timeless fabrics which have been with us for many centuries. And also, I'm also glad to share that the Rindia has also got shortlisted for a hearing for GI, and shortly, hopefully, we may even get the GI tag also. And I recall the words of our Honorable Minister at the National Handloom Day, which he said in Khasi, he said that nimnei tang kito ki ban airong, nimnei tang kito ki ban shime kirong, nimnei kito ki ban ay kirong also. We should not only be borrowers of motifs and colors and designs, but we should be ones that contribute to the world at large. And I'm so happy today that this public art, which showcases the timeless textile traditions, has come up today. And this is a very busy thoroughfare in Shillong, and people will come and go, and when they take pictures, when they circulate on social media, it will broadcast, highlight, amplify the rich textile cultural heritage in our city, and also be ambassadors of our textile heritage across the state and also maybe internationally as well. So with these few brief words, I once again would like to thank that under the leadership of Paul Lingdo was.
Please for an applause. Please.
Our Principal Secretary, Frederick Hakumar, who himself has been a huge patron of the arts and is a person of good taste. Mr. Vikash, representing his team, and incidentally today happens to be the second wall that I have had the golden opportunity of inaugurating together with the Association of Young Sangha, Director, friends from the media fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a moment of leisure, joy and celebration for the Department of Textiles, because today we have been able to add life, color and vibrancy to what was all along just a drab wall. And I immediately recall the Pink Floyd, another brick in the walls. That today we have another mural on the walls, and I think we will go on painting, if not painting our town red, at least paint it with a lot of colors, make our city attractive and graduate beyond what we normally see in government offices. Whenever you come across or go inside most government offices, the only artwork you can see is "Do not drop line, what passion, do not spit, what biak." I think today we have graduated beyond that, and I would request all of you, I see a lot of women as staff of the directorate here. One thing that we practice, which Vikash had referred to, tribal customs, tribal practices. One of the few things that we practice here is cleanliness, starting from our homes, from our houses. So it's surprising that when you go to any house, either in Shillong or in the villages, nobody writes on their walls what faction have been. It is only when you go to government offices that you have such a warning depicted in large letterings, which means that the concept that this is our office, this is our building, this is our bread and butter, that is yet to sink very deeply. So with such more such murals coming up, I think the textiles department has really come of age, and we are ready to show to the rest of the world that Meghalaya is not only God's gift, but man has also contributed his bit to make the place, to make our state more scenic, more beautiful, more eye-catching. Do we return? What do we have to give in return for what God has gifted us? And I think it's very clear. Make our city more colorful, make our city more aesthetically appealing, and if a simple urn can move John Keats to write his ode to a Grecian urn, why not the beauty that we see around us? Once again, congratulations to Vikash and your team. I'm sure there's more for you to encourage your team to put the brushes to make this city of ours appealing to the eyes, appealing to the senses, and Meghalaya, which is its biggest strength, is our nature, our culture, our climate, our cuisines, our customs, our colors. Those should be good enough to enable any visitor to this place to immerse herself in this experience, and thereby go back home and tell the rest of the world that Meghalaya is a slice of paradise, and it is home to ours, home to beauty, home to aesthetics, and home to the best that can be expected in a modern society.